Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a lumbar pillow on TEMU for extremely cheap. So let's get started. So first of all we will just open here google.com. So here we will just go to TEMU. So TEMU is a online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So let's get started. So here I will just go to temu.com. So at here we will be searching for our lumbar pillows. Okay, so we can see. So I will be going with the first. This will cost you $6.99. Okay, so we can see. So here, so basically this lumbar pillow is a pillow that gives a support to our leg and our back and many other parts of the body. So we can see, so we can use in our hips, legs and other parts. So it will be a pain relief pillow and with a sleeping pillow. Okay, we can see the rating down below. Okay, so it's come with a great rating, and if you scroll down we have the detail. So you can you have to wash with your hand. It can't be a machine wash, and it's a 100% synthetic. Okay, so here we can see, so its material is very good. It's a foam, memory foam material, and here we can see after before results also. Its comparison with the before and after design. Okay, and many other. So to buy you have to click on add to cart, then you have to click on the buy button and follow the instructions to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a lumbar pillow I on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.